Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this Dior one brand tutorial and I hope you'll enjoy. So we're going to start off with the eyebrows. I'm going in with the DIORSHOW brow styler in shade 002.
Love is all we'll ever trust.
So I'm going to start with brushing through the eyebrows first with a little spoolie at the end. And then I'm going to start by drawing a line right underneath my eyebrow and just start at the beginning and just work your way to the tail end. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top. Just draw a line on the top, create the arch and go down to the tail end also. At the beginning of my brow, I like to do hair-like strokes and I like to just fill in the rest of the brow like normal. So now I'm going to take the Fix It concealer in shade 001 and I'm going to use this to carve underneath my brow. I'm just going to draw a straight line and blend it out, and then I'm also going to use this to fill in my whole eyelids for an eyeshadow base.
No rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
I'm now just blending out that concealer with my sponge.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
I'm taking this Dior 5 Cooler Shadow in 357 and taking that blue color. I'm just tapping that in the inner corner of the eye and also the outer corner of the eye and just really trying to pack on and intensify the color. So I'm now going to take this mint color, I'm going to use it on like a tiny blending brush and I'm just going to just blend out that blue shade just into the crease and just really try just to blend it out and make it seamless.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And
I'm now taking this orange color and I'm going to use it as like my transition color. So usually I would start with this first, but I found it a lot easier to start with dark colors first and then blend into the lighter colors. So I'm just buffing this all over the crease area and just to continue to blend out that blue shade.
time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
I'm now using this lighter color and I'm just putting this on my brow bone just as a nice brow bone highlight.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
So I'm now taking the Fix It concealer again, and for this look I'm doing a halo eye. So I'm just using this concealer to kind of carve out the center of my eyelid. I just kind of tried to make like a curved shape just above my natural crease. I've got a bit of hooded eyes, so I like to do it just above it so you can actually see it when my eyes are open. So I'm just blending that out, and then on top of that I'm going to put that lighter shade on again and just to really like blend it out and just make that really beautiful halo eye effect. I'm now taking this darkest shade out of the palette and I'm going to take it on an angle brush and I'm just pushing it into my lash line. I'm just using this to darken up the lash line and to kind of give it an eyeliner effect without it being so harsh.
through the wastelands, through the highways. highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
I'm now taking my favourite mascara of all time was the DIORSHOW Pump and Volume, and I absolutely love mine in waterproof. It is the best mascara I have probably ever used, and I find it really hard to change up and go somewhere else and use another one. But yeah, I just coat my lashes in this mascara, and after this I'm going to go in with my Bold Brow with some eyebrow gel in shade 021. I'm just going to brush this through my eyebrows just to give it a bit more of a colour and to keep it in place.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
I am now moving on to skincare, which is one of my favourite things of all time to do. I'm taking my One Essential Skin Boosting Serum and just popping that all over the skin. It's really nice and light and hydrating. And then I'm going to take my HYDRALIFE Hydrating Serum. This is a hydrating serum, and it's just really nice for just giving your skin moisture, whether it's oily or dry. It's really nice and smooth and silky. And then I'm going with my HYDRALIFE Sorbet Cream, and this is a hydrating face cream, and you need a small amount. It's really good for hydrating the skin, especially if it's oily or dry. So now I'm going in with my Forever Matte Primer, and this is really good for really mattifying the skin and really prepping the skin for makeup. It's literally like super glue for your foundation and every other makeup, so I'd highly recommend it. And now I'm going in with my Forever Undercover Foundation in shade 040. This is a complete full coverage foundation, but it's really lovely because it is water based, so it is very lightweight on the skin and it lasts for 24 hours.
Leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
So now I'm going in with the Fix It Concealer again, and I'm using this for under my eyes, on my forehead, down the center of my nose, my upper lip and my chin, and then I'm going to be taking my makeup sponge and just blending that out. So I'm now going to take my Forever Matte Powder, and just a translucent powder, and it's really good for setting under the eyes and where your concealer is, and also the rest of the face. It literally keeps your makeup on all day. It mattifies so well and makes your skin look so smooth and silky. I really highly recommend it, and it's very similar to the Laura Mercier. I've been using this one actually more now than the Laura Mercier one, and I don't know which one's my favourite. I'm now taking my mineralized bronzer in shade 05. I just like to take this on a Primark makeup brush, which is amazing. Just pop this like on the contours of my cheeks and just like brush it up, and I like to put it across like my forehead, down the center of my nose, and also along my jaw. I'm now taking my Skin Luminizer in shade 001. This is a beautiful highlighter. I'm basically just putting that absolutely everywhere. Cheeks, forehead, everywhere. It's so stunning. It just gives a beautiful glow. I'm now going to finish up with the eyes. I'm taking that blue color again and just running that all along the bottom lash line, just blending it in with the one that I did on top so it's seamless, and blending that out now with the green shade, like minty colour, and just to make it nice and smooth. I'm then going to use that Fix It Concealer again, and I just kind of use it as like to carve like the bottom of my lash line, just so I can match the top. So I'm putting that in the center, and then I'm going to pop on that like goldeny colour on top of it just to give it that really nice sparkle. And then what I'm going to do is use the concealer once again and pop it on my inner corner of my eye, then use that golden colour again and put that on top. Honestly, this concealer can be used for absolutely everything. It's a concealer and primer in one. I couldn't recommend it enough.
Time is barely on our inside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we
So I'm now going in with my favourite mascara, once again popping that on the lower lash line, but I like to like dab it into the lash line rather than put it through the lashes. And now we're on to the lips, so I'm using this lip liner in liquid lipstick, and honestly this combination is so beautiful and so natural. The lip liner is Brown Fig, which is my favourite lip liner from Dior. It's so beautiful and just gives a really nice natural colour. So as you can see, I'm just putting it all over the lips and just really trying to carve out my shape, and then I'm just going to go in with the liquid lipstick, pop it all over the lips, and then press my lips together to make it really nice and smooth and even. So that is the finished makeup look, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I really loved creating it, and if you could please give me a massive thumbs up in this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I can see you in my next video. Thank you so much and I love you all. Bye.
I don't want no rest.